Welcome to the Mystical Magical Shopping Network. The holiday season is fast approaching, and we have some of the hottest toys to end 2019 with a spark. I want to first start by saying we have really made holiday shopping easy for you this year. We've summed up some of the most magical, mystical, and mysterious projects to get for your loved ones this season. All of the products I'll be showcasing today are available during the month of December in the Kohl's Design It Lab. Let's get started. I'm going to show off a couple of great gifts today. First, being our Trinket. We also have the world-famous designer, Poppy Lou, visiting. Poppy, tell us more about it.
Hey, I am so excited and happy and thrilled to be here. I just want to show you everything. Our Trinket was inspired by little gnomes. Oh, did you know those little critters have been around since the 1800s? A few of them have been living under my house since then. They're said to provide protection to whoever possesses them.
Yes. Oh, I love these little trinkets. How cute. Okay, callers, if you act now, these good luck charms will be an additional 15% off. Who doesn't need a good protecting gnome in their life? And what a great deal, too. Let's move on. Pops, what else do you have for us?
Stick around. Coming up, we have more mystical creatures for your holiday needs.
Welcome back, you guys. It got super mystical and magical in the studio. Check out my unicorn headgear. I love it.
This headgear has been selling like crazy in our test market groups. Honestly, I wear it everywhere. To the mall, to the doctor, to the gym, to the hot dog cart, to the library, everywhere. Have you ever wanted to be a unicorn, Nancy?
Always. Wow. The construction of this incredible mythical horn involves the use of a vacuum former and is 100% customizable too. Give us a call, 1-800-555-KDIL to order yours. Oh, what is this? Our producers are saying there are only 100 horns left. Wow. See if you can call in and order one of these remaining horns now. Come on, people. You won't find these anywhere in stores. This next product is taking us to the future of gift giving. Poppy is calling these the Winter Wonder Lights, and they are the trendiest gift tags this holiday season. Pops, tell us more.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if the creators of a scratch and sniff stickers and your everyday nightlight were to come together and make something wonderful?
Nope, interesting.
Well, wonder no longer. You can scratch a design into a clear piece of plastic and shine a light through it.
Right, you can use these lights for a superior gift tag, a mini nightlight, a festive desk illuminator. Really, Poppy, people could use these for anything. Oh, it looks like we've got a caller on the line. Scotty sent him through. Hello, Rick. Rick, you are on live with Nancy at noon.
Yes, Jen, I did it. I'm on air with Nancy from Nancy at Noon. Nancy, I just wanted to say that I ordered 12 of these Winter Wonder Lights for everyone in my family. I got last year's model before it sold out, and I can't wait for this year's futuristic festive lights. Let me tell you a story about where I use them all around the house. So, the one in the garage under the beehive.
That's okay, Rick. I think we get it. So I think Rick is just trying to say everyone needs one of these mystical, magical lights.
Oh, wait, what's that? My producers are telling me that if you order one right now, we will throw in 2 for free. Look at that, 3 for the price of 1. That is outrageous. Our last product is our most luxurious, the Firebird. Now, Poppy, what makes this one so special?
The Firebird comes from Russian fairy tales. This mythical creature is desired for its beauty and magical powers. The singing Firebird cures sickness and injuries, and when the Firebird cries, pearls fall from her eyes.
Wow, I am so surprised we have these in stock. This unique bird has a fire optic tail that lights up the darkness. Wear it in your hair, on your bag, or anywhere that needs a little magic.
Yes, I have 432 of these incredible Firebirds, and my collection sees no end in sight. Call and order yours now before I take them all home with me.
Or visit the Kohl's Design It Lab during the month of December to make your own mystical and magical projects.